Welcome back and happy 4th of July Eve. Weather-wise, if you like today, you're going to like tomorrow. Plenty of clouds out there, at least shunting some of those daytime highs down closer to the lower 90s, but we still managed to get up to 93 this afternoon. Expect similar conditions tomorrow with a few more showers in the area. Now, as we take a look at Power Doppler 3 and the local Doppler radars, most of Acadiana actually pretty quiet this afternoon. All the action has been off to our east or to our north or west. Some spotty showers here over toward the Lake Charles area in Calcasieu Parish. Action to the northwest and to the east. And we got a little sneaky shower that's popped up. Let's dial into Power Doppler 3, and we're showing an isolated shower between Coteau, Segura, just north and west of New Iberia. And this shower is dropping very slowly to the south. Already looks like it's getting to weaken, but some nice rain for the lucky few that are getting this little shower. We go to the north and west, though. It's pretty busy across Rapides Parish and back to the north and west with showers and storms. Some gusty winds here. Again, this activity will die down with the loss of daytime heating, but notice this storm right here. We had an outflow boundary coming out from the northeast by Alexandria, interacting with an existing shower, and you see how that shower fired up. So the National Weather Service putting out just a little bit of a weather statement on that, indicating possibility up to 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, maybe some pea-sized hail, especially with the cell just to the west of the LeCount area. And then farther south and east, if you're heading over toward the Baton Rouge area, there's some storminess on the west side of Baton Rouge before you get to the bridge, so be careful there. A couple of healthy cells also going on across Point Coupee Parish. So we open it on up. We see the showers and storms across the region, and we see more action as you get into Texas. That's because the ridge of high pressure that was here yesterday has dropped a little bit farther to the south out into the western Gulf of Mexico, and eventually that high is going to drift to the west. That's going to open up the door for a little bit of a weakness in the atmosphere between high pressure off to the west and low pressure off to the east, and a very weak upper level low that's going to drop down into the northern Gulf over the weekend and then drift westward, and that should enhance our chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. But we're not looking at any kind of tropical development or anything like that, nor very heavy rainfall. Don't count on a whole lot of rain. We're going to have scattered activity, but maybe a quarter inch on a good lucky day for most of us on any given day in the next week to 10 days. Tropics pretty quiet with the exception of this disturbance over by Florida. National Hurricane Center upping the odds to a medium chance of development over the next beyond the next 48 hours. If it gets a name, the next name on the list is Chantel, but it could be just a weak tropical or subtropical depression, and our computer model showing much the same, with some potential development possible off the coast of Florida and the Carolinas. Meanwhile, for us, we're going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies overnight tonight, and then we get into tomorrow, widely scattered showers and a few thunder showers, but things quieting down in time for fireworks. Temperature-wise, we're talking near 80 for a low again tonight, and once again pushing into the upper 80s to lower 90s tomorrow afternoon. 79 is the low we'll go with for tonight. Should be a quiet one. Normal low at 75. Tomorrow, 91 the projected high. Maybe a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Plenty of clouds out there, so that's taking the edge off the heat. And then going into tomorrow night, looks good for all the fireworks displays, so get out and enjoy, but be careful and make sure you adhere to fire safety standards. As we move through the 10-day forecast, typical July forecast with slightly better chances of daytime storms going into next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.